Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nige, but everyone calls me Nige, so you can call me Nige. Today we're going to be making funnel cake donuts. Fun fact, I've never made these before, so everything I'm doing was really raw and new to me as well. So let's get started. So I did this recipe for under $10 because I love bringing affordable recipes. So I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree funnel cake mix that I found, and that's going to be the batter for these donuts. And on the box it did say to add milk, which was 3/4 cup, and 1 egg. So we did that, and then I just gave it a mix.
And should I be using a whisk? Absolutely. Am I doing it right now? Nope, this is what I grabbed first.
So personally, I was making this and it was coming out the consistency as like pancake batter, but it was a little thick for my liking. So I just added like the tiniest bit of water just so it could be a little smoother. I love funnel cake, y'all. I don't know. The fair needs to come quicker, or the carnival or something, because a girl has been craving funnel cake, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna just make it myself. So being myself, I have to put my flair on things, so I'm gonna make them into donuts today. So I'm using this silicone mold for donuts I got on Amazon for like $5 or $6. I'm gonna link that down below, and I'm gonna use that to pour the funnel cake batter into. At first I thought, because they're kind of small, like mini donuts, so I could use this little squeeze thing, but I realized this is gonna take forever, so I popped that top off and got it going. You feel me? So I wasn't sure how these were going to do, so I thought about putting them in the oven for about 10 minutes just so they can get the shape of the donuts, and then we're going to fry them. So after I put them in, I just stick them in the oven. While they're in the oven, I'm just going to take some sugar, some light brown sugar and dark brown sugar, and just make this little mix. So after I fry them, I can kind of just toss them in this little sugar mix. I like my funnel cake to be on the sweet side, so we gonna make it sweet. So it actually worked. After they've been in the oven for about 10 minutes, I'm going to just pop them out of the molding, and look how pretty they look already. We're not done. They look a little light, a little raw, so we're going to fix that by frying them. So I heated up 2 cups of canola oil for this recipe, and then I'm just going to put these donuts in and watch the magic happen, honestly. My only tip for frying them, I would watch them. I was cooking mine on about medium high oil, so they were cooking pretty fast because I waited for my oil to get hot. So if you're going to do these, I would say about 1.5 minutes on both sides if the oil is hot and boiling. So just be careful and be mindful that this is hot. So after giving them a little flip and making sure they're golden brown, I take them up, and this process took about maybe 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. They were cooking really good, and I didn't want them to overcook, so I just pulled them up. Look how good they look, y'all. So I put them on paper towel just to drain the oil, and then I'm gonna toss them in that sugar mix. They didn't really stick, but they fell into like the crevices of the donuts, which was just fine. So after giving those a light toss, we're gonna add some powdered sugar, my favorite part. You guys, I really enjoyed making this for under $10. You cannot beat this.
So what do you guys think? Would you eat funnel cake donuts? Listen, I ate like 12 of them. Ain't no shame, okay? If you liked these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. What's your favorite fair food? The fair really needs to hurry up and come quicker, but in the meantime, I'm gonna just bring the fair to my house. Want to see more of me? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to share your thoughts and everything with me, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.